Hello, this is Chris from MicroSurvey, and today we're going to be going over the Global Mapper feature in SurveyTools for BricsCAD. So in this drawing here, we have a drawing that's based on 983 CSRS 17 zone. So these are all GPS coordinates. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the Global Mapper to bring in some background imagery so we can align the line work with where it is in the real world. So under MS Tools, we'll have the Global Mapper feature under Imagery here. So we'll launch that. And in here, we'll see I already have one ready to go. But before we load that one up, I will show you how this feature works. So if you have specific data files, you can use Open Data File and browse to the file, or you can download it through online. When you launch the download option here, there'll be lots of free options that come with the program, as well as a few premium ones. But if you have your own service, you can load that in as well by going into Add New Source, selecting which type of service it's going to be. So for example, if it's WMS, press OK. And then you can load in the address there. In this case, I just have that one blurred out as this is one used by one of our clients. And then you can do Get List of Available Data Layers, and it'll show whatever options that this source has. And then you can pick which one to use. So in this case, I already got one loaded, so I'll cancel that. And then here you can see where you want the imagery to be shown in. Right now I just have current screen bounds, so that's just based on our current zoom level that we got in the model space. But we can also do within a specific address or a specific range based on coordinates of latitude and longitude. So because I got one loaded in already, we'll just close that. And what we'll do is we'll load this one in. So we'll do the Global Mapper Regen, and that's going to render in the imagery from that source that we already got there. So right now it's just connecting to the service, and then it'll bring in our background imagery. So at this point I can zoom in and out. It's just based on the current bounds when I loaded that in. And we can see where it lines up with the line work in that imagery of the real world. And at any point, you can enable auto regen, and this will just regenerate the image based on if you're zooming in and out, in case you need to render in different sections. And this does connect to the service each time. So if you have a specific area already loaded in, then you can just turn off the auto regen, and you'll see it's now disabled. And then that way it's not reloading every time you pan. And that's how the Global Mapper feature works in SurveyTools for BricsCAD.